So we have understood now how to convert an image into a brush and what is the advantage of it. Now you can place your photograph behind the cloud, and you can place any image behind the cloud or in front of the cloud, and you can make the cloud to turn into any angle with any size in any color. It could be placed. Is it okay? So you can find out now, to make this design, it makes a lot of time. To make it photo cutting also, it makes a lot of time. But without photo cutting, you have cut the cloud. And without making a design, you have made the design. It is nature's design. So it will match in your design. So we have understood now how to make an image into a brush. So the technical information is packed up in your brain. And you got to know these many methods of making a brush. Since last 3 days, you are learning brush only. But how to be used, that does matter. And gather that information. Now also, like, what this knowledge could be used. To get some extra information, I'm just passing out the things. Whenever you find like the cloud are flying and the camera is panning inside it, all these visual effects are done with this technique. So it is not to teach you the next software, but to make you know what you learn, how people use, where it is used. To make film posters, yes, posters. See, often you find the hero stands inside the cloud, inside the smoke, inside the dust. It is very difficult to cut all these things with your present knowledge. But this particular technique will allow to cut the shapes so that you can place anywhere you like. So let us see smoke brush. How to make a smoke brush. Choose the smoke. So find your smoke. And you know how to convert the smoke, what is the condition and what to do. Give a right click, switch to the image, copy the image, go to the target, take a new file and switch that into grayscale, fit it up, get it okay. So, but here the things to be get reverse, then what to do? Go to the file, like edit menu, fill it up, white fill, switch to the difference mode, get it okay. So now I got to know how to convert a design into the target black and the canvas white. Now the rest of the things is just one click of the brush. Get it okay? Now the smoke is under your control, and wherever you want, you can place the smoke exactly the same way. Is it clear? Ardhamanda? So like on your screen, you find 2, 3 smokes and all the things has been done on your front. So any design could be turned into a brush so that you can have to place it off in any style at any place. Hope you understood what is the importance of this topic. And now let us take example how motion graphics is depend on this. How much money you want, it is there. But the things, the software to be under your control. Now we are just making some clouds. It is very difficult to make the shot from a high top angle. Just to make you know what is your present knowledge and where it is people are using this knowledge. So we have started up taking few clouds on different layers, few colorful thing. Now I'm saving this file as PSD format. Clouds. Now there are different softwares where you can able to make the cloud to fly on the air, and camera can be pan up. Just not to make you teach this software, to make you know like how a Photoshop artist works and how the industry depend on the Photoshop artist. Photoshop artist will give these clouds. Once they give the clouds, then the next artist, like the software, like compositing softwares are there, where they can make the cloud to get multiply and get it move. It is a further learning. so that you can get an idea. That is what my concern, not to make you confused with all these things. Just how the industry works, that I'm showing you. So you can see on your screen, the clouds are there on screen and they make the camera to move like this. And this will be the next scenario once you're coming to the higher the topics like into the visual effects. If you've joined for visual effects, then this will be the scenario into the next. So making the camera to move, so you can get a feel like this. So everything has been done in Photoshop, but the presentation is done in a compositing software. You can find the cloud start up moving on the screen, but the credit goes to the Photoshop artist. He has made the cloud and the rest is the presentation. So this is a pipeline like where people use these clouds in motion graphics. I've shown you everything on live so that you can get idea like you are not only to make visiting card or browser, but you can also work in film industry, visual effects department, because camera cannot able to go to the sky high. So they have to make a compositing shot and their Photoshop artist takes the major role. So all the dynamic things are pulled out and turned into brushes. So it could be given with any angle, in any color, in any size, so that later they can start up moving the camera to make the audience to feel that they are traveling inside the aid. Okay, this would be the next scenario. Is it okay? And you can do the magic. So just to make you know like how does it happens, and you can make the clouds to multiply on your screen. Just have made it very slow to make you understand. Yes, I do understand it's a little complex thing, but you can find a lot of exercise could be done on this. So now we have understood what is the method of making image into a brush and why to make image into a brush. So these many brushes are there. Then again, why to learn this much of things? You have seen the like benefit of learning image into a brush. Fine, then this is one part. So we have understood the brush in 3 categories. In starting, we got to know like what is the default brushes. Default
Sir?
brush, yes.
Sir, please, sir, today teach less, sir.
Okay.
Um,
Just
because my internet, I have very problem with my internet, sir. I'm
okay.
joining and leaving, sir.
Oh, noises. We are not.
Sir, when is your next class, sir, about same topic?
So in every next week, one batch is starting off here. Next 2 weeks.
So next week I can join this same class, sir?
Yes. You can request to the management and can join.
So next week, same topic will be repeated, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So we have summarized the things like brush has been done in 3 parts: default brush and default properties. Then we have understood how to load the brushes by downloading the things.